When renovating a house, someone attempted to demolish a wall. Traditional Japanese houses often have empty spaces between wooden walls. As the wall began to crumble, they discovered a trapped gecko within the hollow space. Its foot was stuck to an old letter. The person felt both pity and curiosity. When they examined the letter, they realized it had been there for 10 years, dating back to when the house was first built. What had happened? How could the gecko survive being trapped for a decade? In complete darkness, without moving at all, it seemed impossible and irrational. The person pondered how the gecko managed to survive for 10 years without shifting from its position since its foot got stuck to the letter. How did it feed itself? They stopped their work and observed the gecko. What did it do, and what did it eat to endure? Then, seemingly out of nowhere, another gecko appeared with food in its mouth. The person was deeply moved by this sight. Apparently, there was another gecko that had been attentively watching over its trapped companion for 10 years. Truly, this was a beautiful form of love. Love could exist even between tiny creatures like those two geckos. What wonders love could perform! Imagine, the gecko never gave up and never stopped caring for its partner throughout those 10 years. Consider how such a small creature possessed such remarkable grace. Never ignore those you love.